Hi, I'm Dustin. I'm the shop manager here at Republic, and I've been doing this for about 17 years.
Oh man, you're talking to Rich Castellano. I'm the QC guy.
My name is Pedro Torres. I've been working here for 5 years. I run the 300 ST full 5-axis machine.
Well, my name is Daniel Ortiz. I've been here since March the 21. I run parts.
My name is William Bumpers. I'm a machinist at Republic-mfg, and I've been here for 7 months.
I didn't expect it to be this big. That's the fascinating part right there. Yeah, how all this comes together.
In Texas, there's not a lot of integrexes, so it's really cool to see these machines here that are not very available in a lot of shops, because it's a very expensive machine.
This one here, this is a huge investment. You're talking multi-million-dollar pallet system, horizontal, 4-axis. You can run multiple setups.
This is a CMM. It's accurate within 7 microns, something programmable. It's something we have the guys use too.
At Republic, they supply all the tools here in shop.
This is the only shop I know that I've worked at where they have all the tooling that you need. And if they don't have it, they're not afraid to pay for it to get it.
All tools are supplied by the company, so there's no need to bring any tools. Guys don't go a day without getting what they need.
I have a toolbox just sitting there collecting dust.
We definitely have some top-notch technology, and the stuff and the tools that we have here are of the higher end for sure.
That's number one, having a good set of guys that can put the tools to use.
This is where I learned these machines. I never had seen one of these until I came here. A lot of the new engineers come out with very complicated parts that you can't do with your regular 2-axis, 3-axis mills and stuff like that. And it's helped me out a lot in my career learning these types of machines. For anybody to come in here and really wants to learn, this is the spot.
Coming from knowing absolutely nothing, it's really crazy to see how much I've learned.
Just basic knowledge is always a good start. How to read measuring tools, that's a big plus.
If you can just read a frame, I know that we'll be able to get you up to speed.
I'm not expecting anybody to come in here knowing programming and things like that. That's something that you're gonna get with the years. You know, like you gotta crawl before you start running, you know?
That's the good thing about here. They don't just throw it on you at one time. They let you feel your way in, then they'll start handing you more stuff.
We all make mistakes, so it's not a big deal here, just as long as we learn and go forward from it.
Know how to mess up and pick yourself up again and keep going. Keep trucking on, don't let that slow you down.
And of course, we're always open with new ideas, so we love when skill can find us.
I wouldn't see if you were a skilled machinist why you wouldn't want to work here. You know what I mean?
I'm old, I've been in this over 30 years and I'm not through learning.
Well, here at Republic, I mean, what we make, it requires plenty of skill, but what we really are looking for is a great attitude.
We like to keep it very lively in the shop. All of us have a great sense of humor. It doesn't matter where you come from.
Good attitude is a plus. We all like to get along here, crack jokes here and there, be loud. It's less stressful on everybody, so the quality goes up.
Well, I come from a very stressful environment, and one thing I can say here is it doesn't compare.
They push you to do your best that you can, but there's not a lot of stress here. They don't stand over you and say, hurry up and get it out.
That's one of my biggest things is this is a fun place to work. We make a great product.
Plus, if you come here and have a good time, well, you're getting paid. You leave home happy. You just had a great time at work.
I really love it. The family atmosphere. A lot of the people that I work with here, I've got a good connection with, almost like a brother. That's one of the things that draws me here, keeps me here.
I mean, we're a brotherhood here. We fight for each other. We die with each other. I mean, that's our whole thing.
Because of the team atmosphere, we work together to make sure to keep the shop clean. Because we find that it helps us out mentally wise, and it just makes us all feel better as far as where we work.
We have the cleanest water for our coolants. We keep the air very clean, very lit.
And there's nothing where you have to worry about your safety as far as tripping on any coolant or anything like that.
What's good about it is we all take turns cleaning. Then on days where we go on holiday, we'll all mop before we walk out the door.
You can't lose anything. I mean, it's great. It's really hard to find companies that do that kind of stuff.
This is my career. It pays good. And that's one of the big ups. It pays good.
The medical, vision, dental, it's great. 401k is great. I mean, not many companies do a match.
Yeah, oh yeah, because a lot of companies don't do that.
Oh yeah, you know, the 401k, man, if I can pressure anybody that's here, and I try to do it all the time, if they can get in the 401k, because for me, I'm not going to say that I'm doing really well, but I'm doing really well. Man, it's a great place to work. It really is. It really is.
Here, everybody's friendly. First day I walked in, hey, like they knew me, so I thought I feel comfortable.
My first time around here was 4 years. And then I moved to Oregon for family. And then they called me up. They said they had a spot open for me. Hopped on the plane, came back over here. No hesitation, just came back.
I know Dustin from a while back. He got me on. He called me one day, he told me, hey, go ahead and put your 2 weeks in where you're at. He's like, I got you a career opportunity, man. It's something you can't turn down. You know, I had my doubts, you know, about getting the job, but then, you know, they welcomed me with open arms. Oh, I'm just thankful for Republic, you know, for giving me a good opportunity, and really like a life-changing like turn of events.